Hello, Kauta. I'm currently looking for an internship and a technology role in the banking industry. So, but before that, I would like to know more about how the bank actually work in real life. So, do you have any suggestion that how I can go around doing that?
So have you heard of SMU tBank?
No, I never. What is it?
Okay, let me explain.
SMU Teaching Bank is created for academic purposes to support banking operations and technology-related coursework, labs, and student projects. This teaching bank is based on today's architecture best practices, aligned to SMU's Unified Banking Process Framework, leveraged on industry's leading banking software and enterprise platforms. It serves as a real-life platform for reinforcing key lessons in class through practice. Some of the applications within SMU tBank are retail applications like accounts and loans, as well as investment applications like dual currency deposits and stock trading, which provide students with realistic learning environments.
Hey, Kauta. Thank you for introducing tBank to me. It's really very useful.
No worries.